setting up a workshop in ingenuity, creativity, and efficient use of tools. Whether you're tackling auto repairs or enhancing your workspace with clever solutions, these life hacks provide practical ways to optimize your shop. From repurposing old appliances to creating innovative tool storage, here are some small shop solutions and workshop upgrades to inspire your next project. Repurposed vacuum cleaner as an extension cord. One ingenious idea involves repurposing a broken vacuum cleaner into a compact, retractable extension cord. By utilizing the vacuum's retractable cord mechanism, this setup provides a neat and accessible power solution. With a 4.5 to 5 meter cord, it's ideal for reaching various workstations around your shop or even connecting tools while working on vehicles nearby. This hack not only breathes new life into an old appliance but also adds convenience and tidiness to your workspace. Optimize tool storage. Efficiently organizing tools is essential in small workshops. By utilizing wall-mounted racks and shelves, you can keep power tools like drills, jigsaws, and angle grinders within easy reach. This method maximizes floor space while ensuring tools are neatly arranged and readily available. A dedicated outlet nearby allows for quick connection, streamlining your workflow. For those managing busy repair schedules, such an organized setup can save time and effort, especially during peak seasons. DIY alarm system. An innovative security solution can be created using an old mobile phone, such as a Nokia 3310. By integrating a SIM card with a free data package, the phone can serve as an alarm system for your garage or workshop. This budget-friendly setup provides peace of mind and ensures that your workspace is secure, even when you're away. Paint can mixer upgrade. For anyone who frequently uses spray paint, manually shaking paint cans can be time-consuming. A clever workaround involves using a drill or screwdriver to automate the process. By attaching a clamp to the drill, you can secure paint cans and mix them efficiently at adjustable speeds. For added convenience, a custom-made holder can accommodate different sizes, making this an indispensable tool for quick touch-ups or extensive painting projects. Hands-free automation. For those who prefer a hands-free approach, wire or plastic ties can be used to lock the drill's trigger in place during the mixing process. This allows the drill to operate autonomously, ensuring consistent mixing without requiring constant attention. Such innovations not only save time but also improve the consistency of your work. These small shop solutions and workshop upgrades demonstrate how creativity and resourcefulness can transform any workspace into a highly functional area. From repurposing old appliances to automating routine tasks, these life hacks are perfect for maximizing efficiency and inspiring your next project. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend DIYer, these ideas will help you make the most of your shop.